was from a foreign land. She lived with love and heart in hand. But great sorrow came one day. Her husband gone, she knew dismay. Ruth was strong, Ruth was true. She trusted God in all she'd do. With Naomi she stayed near. God's great plan was drawing near. They journeyed back to Bethlehem, a quiet town God had for them. Ruth gleaned in Boaz's field one day, and soon their hearts would bind to stay. Ruth was strong, Ruth was true. She trusted God in all she'd do. When the fields God's hand to guide, Boaz stood right by her side. Boaz loved her, pure and sweet. Ruth's new life was now complete. They had a son, Obed his name. From their line, great blessings came. Ruth was strong, Ruth was true. She trusted God in all she'd do. From their love a king would rise, David, Jesse's son, strong and wise. From Ruth's line came hope so bright, shining like a guiding light. Generations passed, and in God's plan, Jesus came to save all men. Ruth was strong, Ruth was true. She trusted God in all she'd do. Through her faith, God made a way. His plan for us unfolds each day.